ladies, here's our first week of our Layla choreography. We are going to be starting off on two opposite sides, half and half pretty much. We need to know where our spot is. Our arrangement is going to make a V where the back point is me, and then everyone is staggered in both diagonals away from the center. So you need to find that place so that when you're on the side, you know where you're going to. The way that you're going to get there from the sides, either right or left side, is that you are going to be doing 8 Egyptian steps in. And since you would be coming from the sides, 6 of them are going to be turned towards the center, trying to get you there. And then the 7 and the 8 are where you're turning to the front. So we're all going to start on the sides. We're coming to the center. We're using 6 steps to get to our actual place. We're using 7 and 8 to turn front. And so obviously if you're on a front point, you don't have very far to travel. A lot of your steps are going to be kind of in place. If you're coming all the way to the center, then your steps are going to actually be going somewhere. So we start off with our 8 Egyptian steps, the last 2 which are to turn front. Then we're doing undulations, which are going to the right, traveling to the left, and then forward. And the way that our arms are working with that, when I'm going to the right, my left arm is up, my right arm is down, and I'm undulating, leading with my right foot. Then when I get over here, I'm going to switch gracefully. I'm going to lead with my left foot to undulate back. And I'm not moving my feet very far, because if I'm moving a lot, the undulation doesn't look as controlled. If I'm just moving my feet a little bit, I can get more movement in my undulation. So I'm going right, left. When I go forward, I'm going to put my hand touching my head and leading out with that right arm. And again, not moving very far, just keeping it more in the undulation. Now, instead of undulating backwards, we're going to do our triple step backwards. So right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left. And then when we get here, we're ready to do that cross step with the big bump. So we talked about how slow and controlled that is. We're going to cross with the right. We're going to be stepping out on the left. Our right arm crosses over our body to point to that leg that's out. Our left arm crosses over and it touches our cheek. And we're going to do a big bump. Then we're going to repeat it. Left crosses over, right is out, the left arm is over the body, the right hand comes up to the left cheek, and a big bump. Rather than doing that 4 times, we're going to back up the next 2, and we're just going to leave our arms down. So we're backing up with the cross step and just leaving our arms down. And then from here is where we're going to do the shimmy. And this is actually going to turn into a row change. For right now, let's just shimmy in place. Take our arms up, and we're going to bring the left down. Now, later on, for some people, that's going to require you to either shimmy forward or shimmy backwards. But for right now, since we don't really have the positions quite laid out, just do it in place. But keep in mind, the left arm is going to stay up for the next movement, and the right arm is coming down. Okay, so let's see what all of that looks like to music.